Hi, everybody. Welcome to this week's episode of Obsa Rewind, where we just fill you in on everything that's been going on and that is going to be coming up for the organization, providing value to you as a member. So the first thing you need to know is the MarketWatch competition is still going on. Right now, Christy Hugh is in first place with 8 trades, so she is on track to win that $50 gift card. Again, second place, $40 gift card, third place, $30 gift card, all to Amazon. So definitely encourage you to play to enhance your investing knowledge, enhance your investing strategies, and just have fun this semester with that. The second thing you need to know is there's an event tonight, an OBSA coffee chat. So that's where we just get together and we talk about how everything's been going this semester, any goals we have set for ourselves, any support that we may need from each other. So I highly encourage you to attend that. That's tonight, Monday, March 29th at 5 p.m. Arizona time. So the link is, and you have the link in your newsletter. So our VP of Marketing, Siri Kwan, sent that out last week. So look out for that. The third thing is we have a presentation from the asset management company IDX, and they're very unique in the sense that they manage mutual funds for cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of those, and that's very popular. Those of you who have been following Bitcoin lately, you've seen it's gone from $10,000 to $50,000 this year. So that'll be very interesting to see what they have to say. They're just going to give a company overview. They're going to give a position overview, positions that are available, internships that are available, the application process, mission and vision statement, and company culture. So I highly encourage attending that, networking, meeting the prospective employers there, and potentially securing a job interview for yourself coming up in the future. That is going to be on next Monday, April 5th at 5 p.m. Arizona time. And you will see the link. We'll send that out to you in the email, the newsletters. The fourth thing you need to know is we still have VP positions, vice president positions open on our executive board. Again, VP of membership is really important at this time. We have so many memberships coming in. We also need VP of events. So we're setting a lot of events for you, but if we have someone dedicated to that, then that can definitely help build your experience, build your resume, and just teach you some of the practical application versus the theoretical application that you're learning in the classroom. So getting that balance of both and the advantage of having both experience and book knowledge as well. And again, sometimes that's the differentiating factor that can help you get that internship, help you get that job, help you meet the person who's going to help you get that job in the future. So I highly encourage you to reach out, express interest in applying for one of the VP positions. And if you don't see a VP position that you want to fill and you think that you can create a new one that adds value to the organization and the members, definitely let us know and we can create that VP position just for you. And the fifth thing you need to know is on March 29th at 5 p.m. Arizona time, that's a Monday, we have the Paychex workshop. It's an interview skills workshop. So they're going to be discussing interview skill set, interview practices, common practices for in-person interviews versus telephone interviews versus webinar interviews. And that's very beneficial. They'll look at resumes, they'll do mock interviews for you. And this is one of those things that's super important through mentoring and educating yourselves and practicing that skill set, because you'll go through interview after interview sometimes and never get the feedback that you need to really improve. And you'll never truly understand why you're not necessarily getting the job sometimes. So if any event, I highly recommend you attend that one out of all of the events we've held. That's the 5 things you need to know for the week. Have a great rest of your week.